Hi everyone. So I'm not sure if you guys saw my post on Instagram, but the Happy Planner released a Nightmare Before Christmas line, and Nightmare Before Christmas is one of my top favorite Disney movies or Tim Burton movies. So I had to buy everything from the collection. So I'm going to share with you guys what I bought. I got the dashboard planner, which I love using this layout for my social media planning. So look at, I definitely gotta like save all of the little strip right here and cut out the Jack and the Nightmare Before Christmas on top right there. So hopefully we can save that. Oh, look at the discs. They are like a silver. Super pretty. Love that. Okay, well here's Jack over there. And then here's the inside. I did take a peek. I feel like they missed the mark on the inside cover. I would have loved if it was just like a bunch of little Jack heads or like lock, shock, and barrel. Just the little stars. It's cute, but if you see some of the Mickey planners, it'll have like Mickey on the cover, and then when you open it up, it's just like the silhouette of his head. So I wish it kind of went something with like that theme, but I mean the stars are still pretty good. Again, I got to cut out this little Jack right here and save it. But here it shows you the little dashboard layout, which I said I like for social media. And then just have the little plastic right here that I pre-cut just to try to make this a little bit quicker of a video. And then look, I'm definitely gonna have to cut out my name in my Cricut machine. I think that would be really pretty because my handwriting is awful, so I want that to be pretty. Got Jack and Zero right here. Look at the inside right here. Oh my goodness. Woo, that's brighter. We have Jack and Sally right here on the little like hilltop, and then this is your what is it, year at a glance. So we have 2023 and 2024, which is really nice because we are going to start planning stuff for 2024. It's going to be an insane 2023. Sunny Boy is turning 21, and we are doing a birthday year celebration. So whew, I'm gonna be broke. And then on the inside, it has all the dates for January, February, March, and so on. And then we have Jack right here, Zero up here. I love the details on those. So there's Jack, there's Zero right there. And then let's see, that's gonna be the rest of the year. And then right here, like our dashboard for the whole month of January. Again, we have Jack and Zero at the bottom. There are some stars up here at the top. I love the font that they used. It's really pretty. And over here we have Jack and Sally, and it does have gold foiling in here. I'm sure you can see that right there. And then here's the dashboard, or here's the monthly. We got Zero down here. I love the little stream of stars at the top. Like I said, I love the font that they used. You see, like even in the numbers, really, really like that. National Sticker Day. I love that they put the like random holiday stuff in, because we do celebrate that here in a house. Like, you know, pizza day, popcorn day, stuff like that. We always look up what like little fun treasure, you know, holidays coming up, and we do celebrate it. Ice cream day. So, yeah, I love that it has like sticker day. Oh, Lunar New Year over here. So, yeah, love that. And then when you flip, here is the weekly spread. So we have Zero down here. Like I said, I like using this for my social media. So, like where it says task, I'll cover it and I'll put like videos. And then I'll list out my videos and then I could check them off. I usually have to make emails. You know, when I work with companies, I have to email them. So I usually like to write that there. So, and then over here, I'll write down, you know, if I went shopping, and then I'll write like how much I spent so I can keep track of that. And then I'll write down like what videos I did, and then kind of do like the same thing up here. That way I have like a quick look at what videos I did for that week. So that's usually how I use these. Again, look at the font on the numbers. I love the numbers. So there's that, and then has December, January up here, then 2023 over there. And it's just the same thing for all the month of January with Zero down here at the bottom. Then February is this like purple. Got Jack and Zero down here. Got Jack over here. I like that it looks kind of like a like tarot card. That's what this is giving me, like a tarot card vibe. Got Jack over here. Oh, I didn't even notice that there is like a strip of purple right here down the middle. Did January have that? Oh, it did. There's like that little strip of green right here down the center where the discs are. And let's see. Oh, so for February we have Jack instead of 0. And let's see. March we have 0 over here. Oh, we have Lock, Shock, and Barrel over here. Ooh, I love this. Oh, we have Oogie Boogie himself right here. Oh my god, I love this so much. Got April. Oh, we have Sally. And, oh, for the monthly, we have Sally inside. Let's go to May. Ooh, we got 0 on his, like, tarot card looking. And then he has the foiling on him as well. I definitely need to save these after I use this planner. So we got 0 down over here on the monthly. And 0 on the inside. That's like January, right? So maybe we're going into repeat now. Oh my gosh, look at the purple foiling on the bats. And like the little like starburst on Jack and the moon. Oh my goodness, I love this. I got Jack down over here. And then Jack for the weekly. Then we have 0 here with some gold foiling. Lock, Shock, and Barrel over here. And Oogie Boogie. Oh, fun! We have Oogie Boogie boys, Lock, Shock, and Barrel. But she's a girl, right? 'Cause she's a witch. Oh my gosh, love this. And you can see the pumpkin in the background. I wish that the stars were in gold foiling. Like, just these 4 corners. Oh my gosh, that would have been so nice. Oh, his teeth, too. So they were kind of, like, popping and, like, glowing in the silver. That would have been cool, too. We got Sally there. Sally on the inside. September. Oh, we have Sally sitting on the tombstone. That's so pretty. And we got 0. And 0. Oh, that's so cute. So we're in October. We got Jack. Jack on the inside. November is Jack and Sally. Again, it needs some foiling on this, on those like little cards. That'd have been really pretty. Got Oogie Boogie Man. Oh, yay! Oogie Boogie Man is in December. I love this so much. Then we have Sally. And then we just have one little note sheet, I think, right? Oh, no. So we have the weekly here, and then it finishes off with the note sheet in the back. Yeah, so the only thing, I wish there was a little bit more foiling, and I wish that they would have put, like, little Jack heads on here. I think would have been really, really nice instead of the stars. Or, like, included with the stars. Just done, like, little Jack head included with the stars. I think would have been really nice. And then here's the back. Definitely gonna have to cut that out and save it for like a little ephemera piece. Same up here. I'm gonna definitely save that. So yes, oh my gosh, I love these discs. I wanted to change it to like big metal discs because those are my favorite, because I feel like I break these, but I don't know if I'm gonna be able to, because I just really love those little metallic discs right there. So there was that one. Let me see something else actually really fast. Probably have to break this up into multiple videos. I didn't realize how long I was going to take with this. So, oh, I just took it out of the packaging. So this is the planner accessory. And look, it has that gold foiling. Ooh, pretty. See, like I would cut out his little head right here. I would cut all these little pieces out for ephemera pieces and then save this as well. So definitely going to save that. So here is the accessories for your planner. We do have some purple foiling right here. And on the inside we have, oh my god, I love these envelopes. So we have the smaller one. We have this larger Jack and Sally. And we have stickers. Oh, there's some foiled silver stickers over here. So you have some stickers. Oh, yay, we've got Lock, Shock, and Barrel at the bottom. I wish there was an Oogie Boogie on here. That's the only thing. I love that we have Lock, Shock, and Barrel and Jack and Sally and 0, but it definitely needs the Oogie Boogie to complete it. But I love that he's on here. Let's see what else. We have paper. So there's like the little cards right there. These all the same. Oh, look, there's the back. So that's what they look like, the front and the back. Oh no, this is different. This other page over here. Oh, we have like a weekly list. So you can check it off, write little notes this week. And then this is what the back of the paper looks like. So you get like 2 weeks on here. Love that. And then here's our folder, and it continues with some of that purple foiling on the inside right there. What's in this pocket? So when I bought it, I didn't even look. I just like did add to cart and checked out because I wanted to be surprised. You guys know me. I love being surprised. So here we have a Jack notepad. Look, that is huge. That is the palm of my hand, definitely. That is nice. Honestly, I'm going to hoard this. Anybody else get this? I'm going to go hoard this away and not use it. I swear, that is just too pretty to use. Then what is this? We have some silver foil on here. So are these just like extra pages? So focus word, inspiration. Those are too pretty to use. I've never used one of these. I have a couple of them, and I know it's for you to use it kind of like a whiteboard so you could erase it, but I never end up using these. I'll probably just save it, like put it in my planner just to save. And then we got 0 in the back. Yeah, I don't know. I'll have to think about it. Oh, pretty. And then we have like a little folder. Got Jack and Sally on both sides. And then just the little purple foiling over here. And that's the back. So there are the 2 items right there. I'll do a separate video for everything else. Because like I said, this is getting kind of long. So I still have another planner to share with you guys. 3 sticker books and 1 of the guided journals. So definitely come back if you're interested in seeing what those look like. All right, we'll see you later. Bye, guys.